Hi, I'm Nikki and I am a homemaker. Welcome to my channel. So today we are doing my most favorite cake, the big red cake. I do have a video on this already, but this is a more updated one where I give more information on it. So if you've been curious on trying this, stick around, watch the recipe, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and enjoy the video. Hey guys, it's me, Nikki the homemaker, and today we're going to be doing a big red cake. I have done this video before, but I did it when I was barely starting out on YouTube, and I left out some information that should have been in there. I do answer your emails and the comments, but I wanted to update the video and make it more informative. So the first things we're going to be needing is yellow cake. It doesn't matter what brand you want. This is the kind that was on sale, so I got it. A box of vanilla pudding. And a box of gelatin, cherry. You're also going to need a big red. So your big red should be in the refrigerator. It should have been sitting there, I don't know, till it gets cold, maybe an hour or so. So make sure that you are using a cold big red. And if your cake has already came out of the oven, once you make it, make sure you have water boiling. I have water boiling in back of me. 2 cups. I'm only going to need 1 cup, but I put 2 cups in case it evaporates. It'll be there when I need it. So the cake is already made. It has cooled down. It's been about 35 to an hour or so, and it's already cool. I can touch it. It is ready to proceed, and I have the water boiling. So let's get started. I will have the sizes of the jello and the gelatin on the bottom. So I have 3 cups in here. 3 cups of milk in here. So I'm going to make some pudding. If you've made pudding before, you already know what it is. 3 cups of milk. 1 box of pudding. If you have a hand mixer, that will be great. But I didn't feel like getting all that out. So I'm just going to use my hand mixer. It works just as fine. Let me try to get it. It gets a little tougher and tougher and tougher. I'm going to have my daughter finish this off so that I can proceed. Here you go. Now, so we need to put some holes in this cake. There's a hole in the cake. You can use, I don't know, whatever's round. I've used pencil before, but I'm going to use my pinky. I am going to use, this cake is not for sale. When I do fundraisers, of course, I do not use my pinky. But this cake is for us. Basically, my husband and my kids. But I like the size of the pinky. If this grosses you out, well, baby, I'm sorry. You don't have to do this at home. Fast forward this part. Okay, that's enough because I'm tearing into it. I'm tearing into it. Yes, she mixed it up really good. Look at this. Her and my husband. Nice pudding. Way to go. We're going to put this to the side. And I didn't mention all the ingredients in the beginning, but of course the ingredients will be listed down below, you guys. We're going to put this cake to the side. And now the water is in back of me boiling on a hot stove. Get your gelatin out. Get it out. Pour it in a bowl. And now we're going to get 1 cup of hot boiling water. Be careful now. Okay, there we go. Let me turn this off. Okay. Do a little mix really quick. At this time, you want to take out your cold big red. Okay, so we have our hot. We need to hurry up. And then we have our cold big red here. Let's get that ready. First thing you're going to do is pour this gelatin in the cake. All in these holes. Is the frame good? Mm-hmm. Look at that. Some people add some water. I haven't been doing that lately, and it's okay for me. I don't see a difference. And now your cold big red. 1 full can. You can even do a can and a half if you want. Because you can already see that the cake soaks it up really, really good. In fact, Helen, give me the other Coke.
In fact, I will.
I'm gonna go ahead and pour half of another Coke in there because I like to taste that Big Red. I don't drink soda, but in my cake, just gonna add just a little more. Because you can see the bread soaking it up. If you don't like really soggy cake, don't do this. And this isn't going to make it real soggy either. I just want some more Big Red, you know? Okay. Now, let me let this do its job. It's going to soak up all the liquid. That gelatin, mixing that cold Coke, mixing that cold Big Red with that hot gelatin is going to make it turn into kind of like a solid so that it doesn't get soggy. It's going to turn, you know, kind of jello-y. And it's not going to make the cake like soggy and ruin, you know. So put your tub of CoolWhip in here. And we're just going to flip it. Fold it in. Fold it in. Get that. Just fold it in. Once you see it looking mellow yellow, bring your cake back. And pour this baby on there. If you have strawberries and you want to decorate the top and make it look tan lindo and stuff, that's cool. Some people do that. I like it on cupcakes like that. But on a regular Big Red cake, this is fine. Just like this. And there we go.
Can I finish this?
Yeah. There we go, guys. This is Big Red cake. Yes, yes. Here, put this in the seat, my love.
Yes, yes.
Now let me get a piece of it so you can see what it looked like, what it do. Look at this. So good. Okay. Let's try to get a piece out of here. You should refrigerate this. Let me point that in there. It should be refrigerated for at least an hour or two. I'm gonna dip in here right now. I'm not waiting an hour or two. We're already having dinner, and we're just gonna go ahead and dip in it. Look at this. Is it on the camera? Mm-hmm. Looky here. Looky here. Yes. There she is in all her glory. Guys, this cake is my favorite. Other than the crack cake. Right here. And let me show you how the Big Red looks. What's left in the pan. See? But once you put it in the refrigerator, it's not going to be so liquidy, okay? So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator right now. Go ahead and put that in there. Thank you, ma'am. And who wants to taste this? What? Who wants to taste this?
I do.
This is my favorite. I'm going to eat it later when I have protein. I cannot eat cake by itself. I love Big Red. I used to love it so much. The stove's in back of me and dinner's ready, so it's crazy right now. Let me try to get a thumbnail. Okay, let's eat it. Let's eat it. Now, it hasn't been refrigerated. You know the drill. Here, go ahead. It needs to be refrigerated. It needs to be refrigerated, guys. Love it.
Still
Love
good,
it.
yeah.
Okay, I put a can and a half. Is it too liquidy? But it hasn't been in the refrigerator for a whole hour, so it changes.
Still good.
It's gonna change within an hour. So there you go, guys. Here it is. Simple Big Red cake. I hope you guys like it. I hope I didn't leave anything out. I don't think I did. Ingredients will be listed below. And that's everything, you guys. If you have any cake suggestions, let your girl know. I want to try them, and I'll let you know how it is, or if I've already made it, I'll share it with you. So don't forget to like this. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed one.